Today I am reviewing the Dell Inspiron 153530 touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the system, the 13th generation Intel Core i7-1355U processor. This CPU packs a serious punch with its 10 cores and up to 5.00 GHz clock speed, making it one of the fastest processors in its class. Whether you're running complex software, editing high-resolution videos, or streaming your favorite shows, this processor ensures smooth, responsive performance without lag or stutter. Paired with this impressive processor is a whopping 64 GB of high-bandwidth RAM. This amount of memory allows you to effortlessly run multiple heavy applications, browser tabs, and background processes simultaneously. You won't have to worry about slowdowns even during your busiest work sessions or gaming marathons. Storage is another area where the Dell Inspiron 3530 truly shines. It comes equipped with a massive 2TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This SSD delivers ultra-fast boot-up times, quick file transfers, and plenty of space for all your documents, games, photos, and videos. Compared to traditional hard drives, this means less waiting and more doing. The 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display is a highlight. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and anti-glare technology, this screen provides clear, vivid images with excellent color accuracy. The touchscreen functionality adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to navigate, draw, or interact with your content naturally. The 85% screen-to-body ratio means you get a large, immersive viewing area in a compact, lightweight frame, perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Speaking of portability, the Inspiron 153530 is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it a solid choice for students, professionals, or anyone who's often on the go. Connectivity options on this laptop are plentiful and versatile. It features multiple ports, including an SD card reader, USB 2.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, HDMI 1.4, a headset jack, and of course, the power jack. This extensive port selection allows you to connect everything from external monitors and storage devices to headphones and projectors without needing dongles or adapters. Networking is covered with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring faster speeds, better performance, and stable connections. Whether you're video conferencing, streaming, or downloading large files, you can count on reliable wireless connectivity. Another great feature is the pre-installed Windows 11 Professional operating system. Windows 11 Pro offers enhanced security features, a modern and intuitive interface, and improved productivity tools. Plus, this laptop comes with a lifetime license of Microsoft Office Professional. That means you get all the essential Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook without any additional subscriptions, a huge plus for business users and students alike. The Dell Inspiron 153530 also integrates Intel Iris, integrated graphics, which are powerful enough to handle casual gaming, video editing, and graphic-intensive tasks smoothly without the need for a dedicated graphics card. This balance of power and efficiency helps preserve battery life while delivering excellent visuals. In terms of design, the laptop's black finish gives it a sleek, professional look. Its anti-glare screen reduces eye strain during long working hours, making it comfortable for extended use. User reviews reflect a strong satisfaction rate, with a perfect 5-star rating so far, emphasizing the laptop's performance, build quality, and value for money. In summary, the Dell Inspiron 153530 touchscreen laptop is an exceptional choice for anyone needing a high-performance, versatile machine. Whether you're a power user looking to multitask effortlessly, a creative professional seeking reliable performance, or just someone who wants a solid laptop for everyday use, this model delivers on all fronts. With its powerful processor, massive RAM and storage, crisp touchscreen display, and pre-installed professional software, the Inspiron 153530 is ready to meet the demands of 2025 and beyond.